Letter from Mr. President. Dear distinguished Senate President, transmission of the harmonized retirement age for teachers in Nigeria Bill 2021 to the National Assembly for consideration. Pursuant to sections 58, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, I forward herewith the harmonized retirement age for teachers in Nigeria Bill 2021 for consideration by the Senate. The harmonized retirement age of teachers in Nigeria Bill 2021 seeks to increase the retirement age of teachers from 60 to 65 years and also increase the possible years of service from 35 to 40 years. While appreciating your usual expeditious consideration of this submission, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, Muhammadu Buhari.